On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get up out the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Crepes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Alex O, Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Good morning. Holy smokes. Are we pumping to the moon? Are we going to go? What was with that wick last night? Holy smokes. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce right now. We're going to get into all that stuff. Make sure you guys say good morning. Mad love to every single one of you guys. I see you guys in the chat. We got Lloyd Rogers Spencer as usual. This guy's always showing up for himself. Shout out to you, man. Al Jr., what's going on? Let's go. Good morning, Otter gang. Good morning, Alex and Otter gang. Listening in. Have a great day. Have a great day, Alexandra G. Drive safely. In the place to be. No, we ain't going there. It's too early to go there. Make sure you guys get your coffees, get ready. Salute to all of you. What do you guys think about my mug? Wait, we double dipped today. Look at this one. What do you guys think? A dad like no otter. Look at that. A dad like no otter. Look at that mug. Come on, it's even orange on the inside. That's my top-up mug, by the way, if you're wondering. You know, you gotta prepare when you're doing a live stream. Sometimes you gotta get a full mug and another full mug. I'm gonna pour this one. All right, we're topped up now. We're fully topped up. I did spill a little bit. Ooh. That's some strong coffee. Let's get into it. We gotta get some dad jokes going. I gotta order a book or something like that because we're out of practice. Practice? What do you mean? Practice. What does Discord have for us? What is the dad joke for today? Discord says, how does a French skeleton say hello? Bonjour. Oh, it's getting bad, worse and worse. I don't know if we can count on this Discord thing to give us quality, the quality we deserve here. No spilling. Yes, I agree. Good morning, Chris Klein. Looks like we're coming up smacking VWAP, getting a little bit of a pump this morning. I wanted to long this level actually was given. I've adjusted this, but this level was given in the Discord this morning. Kind of annoyed, right? Because I gave the level, right? Right? Didn't I? And then I moved it for the stream and we hit it. Oh, should have gone long here. Oh, nice little pop up to VWAP. Now we're getting a little bit of a rejection. Standard deviation out, and I wanted one more little sweep, man. I wanted one more little sweep down into this little beautiful pocket in here because I wanted to see that lower low come in. We didn't get it. So we readjust anyways. It was a bit early to jump into that trade. Now watch, it's going to go to the moon, but that's okay. Let's say good morning to everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday. Happy belated, is it belated Thanksgiving? Happy Thanksgiving the day after. Belated. We'll go with that. Crypto Caveman, blessings, otters. Good morning to you. You're utterly fantastic. Chris Klein, what's going on, bro? Wody, good morning to you. Aaron, good morning. How's it going, man? Hope you're having a wonderful day. See more Liddy. Girls love crypto. Otter gang. Little rejection here off VWAP. Let's see if we can come down a bit. Okay. Forget about it. What's going on? Let's get after it relentlessly. Good morning to you, my man. How you doing? Good to see you. Father Time, good morning to you. What's up? Swag Asaurus Lex. Hello, Lex. What's going on, man? Is your name Alex? Some of my old friends used to call me Lex. What's good, Lex? Lotmo Crypto, good morning to you. Good morning, Super Oaf of Urtus. I still don't know how to say your name properly, man, but good morning to you. Darren DDT is lurking and working. My man smashing those like buttons like an absolute champion. Melissa, good morning to you. How's it going? Good to see you. Ooh, we could have been looking for that short. Oof. It's all here for the taking today. We got volatility. High, lower low here. Bullish divergence pushing on up. Failure to make a higher high right now. Okay, so what do we see? This to me tells me we didn't get above this high here. This is still downtrend. Okay? We'll see. Bull div. Retest continuation. Whew. Possible. Let's be patient. We do have a bit of liquidity up in here. 66, 150. Could we be looking to target that today? I don't know. We'll see. Fighting with this trend line, fighting with VWAP right now. In a very scrunchy kind of moment. So we'll see how that goes, okay? We'll see how it goes. We still want to say good morning to all my friends here. What's going on? Wonderbar. Good to see you. RS Miller, good morning to you, man. Good morning to you. Rowley, how we doing? Let's go. 50-50 poll. Get voting. Yeah, get voting. You know, you got to vote. We got 55 votes. Look at you people. We're at 65,000. This is a fair poll. We're right in the middle. Which one's next? You guys got to get voting. We got 56 votes. And Alex in my favorite Tool album hoodie. Let's go. It's hard to have a favorite Tool album. We won't go there because it's like I don't know. You know what's cool? Okay, this is cool. This is where I'll go with Tool. On Spotify or whatever you go on, if you have a child, okay, there's this thing called Rockabye Baby. You see it here? It's Tool renditions as lullabies, okay? It's got like The Grudge, Sober, Parabola as lullabies for my son. Okay? My son is there like hanging out to Tool lullabies all day. What a legend, right? I am being a good father by playing Tool for my son as lullabies. That's, I'm killing it. That's how I know I'm doing a good job. Okay? Little rejection here off VWAP. Can it continue two push, but we have Tool lullabies for our child. Good to see you, Wick. R.S. Miller, good morning to you. Mad love for that hoodie. Yeah, let's go. See, everybody loving the Tool hoodie, man. Let's go. Let's go. Wick, 589 Deadly merch. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, this is my newer Tool hoodie from the newer tour. The most recent tour. That's the better newer tour. But I have an old one. It has like a cool flame, like torch being held. That one's pretty sick too. Good morning, Matt Eagle. Chadwick's Racing. Let's go. Good morning, Alex. Oh, good morning. I think whenever I see good morning like this, I think it's Australian. I lived in Australia for a bit, so I'm allowed to say good day, mate. What's going on, Guile? Hotto, Crypto, Fotis. What's going on? Swagasaurus, Alexis. Yes, let's go then. That's awesome, man. Alexis. When will you consider the one-to-one lessons? For now, I mean, I am swamped. I got a newborn, so I don't know. We just monetized the Discord, so there's a lot of things that like I'm trying to get used to doing on this as extras now. But we might have to make an exception for you, bro. What's going on, Wanderer? Good morning to you. Blair Stevenson, TV, Germany. So good afternoon. Danke for being here. All I know is Danke and Schnell from playing video games. Return to Castle Wolfenstein. They would go, Schnell, Schnell, like go, go, go. I don't know. That's all I know in German. So Danke, thank you. And Krankenhausen. That is a hospital. Or a Krankenwagen. That is a ambulance. Because, German's amazing, right? Krankenwagen. Imagine we were just like, get into the Krankenwagen. I mean, it's so good. I love it. I love it. Good morning to you, G Corp. Good morning, Mark Dutch. Are you in the Krankenwagen today? All you sexy otters. The Deutschman. I have family in Deutschland. Maybe one day I'll meet you, Dutch, when we go over and visit them. Okay, good morning, gang. Let's go, Luke Zaldana. Finally, H-bar is moving. Okay, so we could see a rotation into altcoins because some of them are lagging. So there could be some good opportunities in altcoins. Good morning to you. Wick589 Wifey says morning. Is it one of those mornings, Wifey? Hopefully you're having a good morning. Wick589, thank you so much for being here, my man. My man. Good to see you, Jay Violet. Hey, everyone. How's it going? Good to see you, Jay Violet. Good afternoon, Jay Violet. See, I remembered. It's the afternoon for Jay Violet. Are you guys in the Krankenwagen? This is my 5th time on your live without missing any lives. In Durga. In Duranga. I appreciate your commitment, man. To yourself. Tool unplug. Glad you're okay. All is good. Square. What do you think about taking liquidity at 64.9 then starting to pump? 64.9. Yeah. So I thought we were going to sweep the lows this morning. We didn't sweep the low. I do have a level at 64,900. Look at that. Who would have thought? So I'm looking for that as well, my friend. Good idea. We didn't take the long this morning. I moved this morning to here. I was looking for a sweep of the lows. We didn't get it. Oof. Okay. Stalling out right now, which is expected. We'll see how that continues to go. He pronounces it as, oh my God, Mark. Behave yourself. It's too early for us over here on the Eastern Hemisphere, or not the Eastern Hemisphere, but the Eastern Standard Time. Looks like Bitcoin wants to continue to rip. Breakout retest on the table. Okay, so I want to see a strong move through VWAP here. Reclaiming if we are to go long. Okay, not convinced yet. Not convinced. The long was down here. We didn't take it. We thought we were going to come a little bit lower. It is a bit early to just jump in to that. Okay, so we'll wait on that. RS Miller, we have a pullback coming. Okay. Pullbacks are good. Pullbacks are healthy. Smitterling, what's going? Hey, funny. What's going on, David Brumbelow? That's the first phrase in German I learned. Is the Krankenwagen. Yes, let's go. uh, Spasiba. Spasiba. That's thank you in Russian. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Spasiba. That's awesome. I love that. We're learning all different languages. This is so good. You guys are going to, please don't put in foreign language that is like swear words. Please don't do that to me, okay? I don't need any curvas in here, okay? We won't. I don't know. Now I'm flagged. It's all over. Now it's all over. It's all over. Good morning, Buck. Good to see you. We have a pullback coming. Okay, we'll see. Yesterday's entry entry was absolute fire. If you didn't get, we got long and strong, baby. That was the Krakenhausen yesterday, right? Was this not the entry of the day? Come on, guys. Like, we were long right here. Like, that was the freaking Krakenhausen yesterday. My God. Easy money, eh? Holy, we're pumping. That was the Krakenwagen yesterday. My God, what a long. Look at the push. Okay, getting a push up here. Now we look for the retest. This is strong through VWAP. Okay, so I'm not afraid to go long here as long as we get a little retest back down to the support area. We do have momentum coming up into the price action right now. We got to make sure we don't want to be sent to the Krakenwagen this morning. We want to be very careful. Okay, we are coming for liquidity up in here, so we could be looking for the swing of this high. Boop. Okay, we draw that across here. We'll be looking for that. Wow, Krakenwagen, very strong push through VWAP. Quite nice. After reclaim this key level of support, now it seems to want to be pushing up here. Target up to this high, 65.8. Dang, I should have got long here. That's okay. Reset. Don't. Continuation, looking like a continuation right now. Bull div here, man. That's the bull div that. Well, what do? We wait now for this to come back, settle. Okay. It's grabbing liquidity up in here. There's more liquidity up top here. So this still can head down. It's just we would like to get it on the way up as well, right? We want to get both ways, right? We want both ways. Good morning, Maureen. Good to see you. Father Time, David Brumbelow. That's what she said, long and strong. Yeah, let's go, right? Let's go. That was a great long yesterday, though. That came back and stopped me out. Did take like 90 profits at like 90% at 64, 65. I took profits up in here. 66.5, I believe. Let's take a look. Where's our winners wall? Do we have a make sure you guys are sharing all your winners in here as well in our Discord. FOMO'd in late. 78%, 31%, 15%. Good job. Luke Bailey as well. M4, GRR. Good job. Easy C. All you guys are absolutely crushing it. Brewbear is giving you guys some alpha, man. Lately, Brewbear has been crushing it. If you guys are new here, come over and hang out in the Discord. This is where it's at, man. This is where the gang gets diggity down. Okay, Fotis, we're gonna get you a one-on-one. Okay, we'll get you a one-on-one chat with Alex. You guys get to bug me here. What we're looking for. Bitcoin ripping to the upside, man. Who cares about the Discord? Alex, why aren't you in a long right now, right? Jesus. Okay, pumping into the morning open. I'm not sure if I like this. We can look for the SFP up in top here for a potential short. Okay. Do we want to fight this trend? Not really. Pretty aggressive, no? Everybody going to be getting long right now. Okay, let's be patient. We're looking for this to come back down. Okay, if we're going to get long, we're looking for this to come back down. Oopsie, wrong place for that. See, the problem with this is that you got to be able to protect yourself to the upside, right? You got to be able to protect yourself. So sheesh, we're getting some movement. How's the volume looking? We haven't even done top-down analysis. Bitcoin's just like, come on, bro. Just trade. Just trade, man. Just trade. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's go. Just trade this shit. Volume's kicking off already. Already. We don't have news or anything. They're coming back for everybody. What do we see about this pattern? Okay, that's the thing I wanted to talk about today. This is the pooch pattern, man. Okay, so what is the pooch pattern? What is the... You guys who know when I teach, we talk about this pattern a lot. This is the pooch pattern. Can anybody name this pattern? This is the one I always talk about when I'm teaching. Okay? This is the dog pattern here. So we got the balloon dog pattern, okay? So you get the tail, right? And its leg. You got its body, you got its leg, you got its neck, you got its head, right? There's your pooch dog pattern. This is on the 4-hour. Okay? What does this typically do? This is typically continuation. You typically see this as continuation. Okay? That means this snout gets a little bit longer, and then you break out. Okay? This is the pooch pattern. If you are unaware of the pooch pattern, welcome. Welcome. Now you have been introduced to the doggy pattern. Yeah. That's the balloon dog pattern. Let's go. That's the harmonic. Yeah, I can see the harmonic. Yes. This is, I prefer the balloon dog, though. It's more creative. I mean, you can do your harmonic all you want, but come on, balloon dog pattern. We want to make trading as easy as simple as possible, okay? Oh, man, look at this push, baby. Look at this push. It's ready to go again. You're not even going to retest VWAP for us? It's just reloaded already. It's reloaded already. Look at this thing. Come back, test VWAP, baby. If you test VWAP, I'll take it. Just below this low here, yeah. 65.6, 65.6. Oh, man. It's going to leave us. It's going to dust us. I feel like it's going to dust us today, guys and gals. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smashing up those likes. We're already at 55 likes. You guys are incredible. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If you are new here, subscribe. Come over and hang out in the Discord where you get the levels in advance. You would have had the level this morning that I did. Everybody probably took this long, and I didn't. Oh, man. Look at this. Let's get it. Let's get it. Bitcoin dusting, everybody. Absolutely crop dusting, everybody. Coming up to sweep the highs here, okay? Pushing right now, sweeping the highs. This is a potential short. This is momentum, though, baby. I don't know if we want to short this. We want to see a clear as day sign to get short here. We want to see this thing push in, trickle around, then we want to see a sweep up, then a dump, bearish divergence. That's what we want to see here. Other than that, we're not taking this short. I would wait for the long. I would wait for this thing before going up. Jeez. There's some strength in the morning, man. This guy took his steroids this morning. He must be hanging out with Roy Roger Spencer, man. This thing is on the way to the moon. That's a bearish garlic. I'm never bearish on garlic, baby. It's a shark. Yeah, that's awesome. Auto crypto pooch, the pooch pattern. Yeah, that's it, man. Looks like a made up pattern. If you've seen it 100 times, McLovin, and that's what it looks like to you, it's a pattern. A pattern is a pattern is a pattern, right? I'm in the long from the Discord message. Let's go, Buck. Whoever got long on the Discord message is crushing it. I'm jealous. I'm jealous, man. I'm jealous. That's awesome, bro. I'm not going to FOMO in. That's the difference, is that I won't FOMO in. But we did give the level this morning. And then I moved the level. Kind of like dumb of me, but you know what? I gave the level this morning down here. Look at this thing. Ripping. Absolutely ripping. Melting faces already. Good morning. So we do have a key level up here at 66,100. Okay. Key level up here. Now we're looking for bearish divergence or a return of innocence back down below here. We'll see if we get that. We'll keep this one over here. This has swept the highs now. We're looking for bear divs. Strong momentum to the upside. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We're going to go over top-down analysis. What was interesting to me this morning when we're looking at all this stuff here, and let's get rid of this for now, and this, and this. Okay, so a massive push-up, creating a lot of liquidity, mitigating the highs. Okay, massive push-up. We still have an area up here at 70,000 to get up to, but nonetheless, we have a beautiful uptrend here, something along this line here. We do have this continuation up here, okay? Now we do have this rejection area as well, okay? We can go from the high down to here. This is actually quite perfect on the money. So we see this as well. So getting above here is going to be challenging, right? Like obviously we want to see this thing flip and push, but we got our dog pattern in here, right? So double bottom, pushing onwards and upwards, bearish divergence, okay? This can be mean, okay? Everybody this morning is buying now. They're buying here. They are feeling the FOMO. We're not doing it. They're feeling the FOMO. I guarantee you we got longs coming in all the way throughout here, okay? We're not buying here. Why are we not buying? Because then we're chasing price. Where am I going to put my stop loss? Below here? Below here? Could work. Could work, especially with momentum, right? Momentum is strong. But what if I get a bearish divergence and everybody gets wrecked? I think that's more likely. So we stay on the right side of the trade. The trade was down here this morning. So we're bearish diverging. We're coming up to key levels of resistance. Now, this gets a little bit cluttered, but you can see we come up to a point of control of the higher range. What is that? Okay, Alex Crypto, it's nice. You draw nice lines all over the charts, but what the hell do you do with them? Okay, so looking at this, what do? We look at this very simply, right? We want to make trading as simple as possible. What do we see? We are now entering the previous huge level of volume right in here. Okay, there was one over here that is now support. So we're looking for 64,400 to act as major support because it has this big chunk of volume. So if we do get acceptance down, we expect to bounce off of it. Okay, that's very key. I am watching the price action over here. This thing doesn't look like it wants to slow down. Okay, looks very strong right now. This is ripping to the upside, right? Okay, so entering in here, knowing that we're going to bump our head at the liquidity here at this 70,000 volume spike as well. But what do we notice about this area right in here is that it's very flat. And when volume is flat, price gets choppy. And you'll see this on high-term time frames, low-term time frames. But whenever we're looking at something like this, we understand that volume is flat, meaning this is so even though it's so thick of volume, that price just goes like this in here. Okay, so we need to be careful to not get chopped out. If we do push up and enter, up into this area around 70,000. Our first key area, though, is the point of control at 67,000 is going to be that major area that we are looking at from before. Okay, but choppy within this area. So let's be careful. Okay. Going back here, stalling out a little bit. No real retrace in sight just yet. So patience will prevail. Could have got long this morning, man. I would like to see this thing return to VWAP. We'll see if we get there. Okay. So trying to push up, understanding that we do have major support coming in right here at 64,400. Okay. That's going to be a very key level that we could possibly look for that retrace to continue out. Okay, that's very possible. We'll see if we get it. Looking at market cipher, tons of room to the upside. Okay, daily, tons of room to the upside. Money is ramping in. Looking at our 2-day here, our 2-day, same thing. Money is flipping green. Okay, this is very bullish. Confirmed green dot on the 2-day. Lots of room to the upside. W formation on stochastics looking to push up. Okay, so this is all looking pretty good in my opinion. Now, we got our dog pattern here with double bottoms, right? Bullish divergence. We were calling for this on on Tuesday of last week for this, and we have since rocketed into the nether regions up top here. Okay, now something I am looking at is, are we going to maybe possibly come back into this trend line here before heading onwards and upwards? That's quite a possibility too on the higher term time frames. We'll see if we get there. Okay, this is looking a little bit rounded here on the 12 hours. So, and stochastics with the negative posturing. Okay, this can switch, but a little bit concerning for continuation just yet. Okay, and the 8-hour red dot coming in, so stochastic switching color. Money not looking too good. Double top. VWAP pushing downwards. Okay, so a little bit of maybe considering a finishing of the move, but to me right now the momentum is strong. There's a big narrative. You know, all the things are pointing in the right direction. So what are we looking at now? Is that in the 4 hour, it's very simple. The 4 hour, we're getting nice curvature. Okay, so you can see here, you cross over the 0 line. Okay, you get nice curvature. Okay, and then you rip. Okay, when do you rip? You rip when the VWAP starts to cross the 0 line. Well, what's happening here? We're getting close to crossing the 0 line. The next candle should cross the 0 line. Potential rip, right? Rolling up, rolling up, rolling up. This is very nice for market cipher. Whenever you see rounded momentum like this and like this and like this, where do you think you're going? Up, up, and away. Okay, going into our three our 3 same roundedness. Okay, looking good. 2 roundedness, VWAP crossover, money flow coming up. Okay, so lots of things on the short-term time frames pointing up. Double bottom here on our 1 hour, looking juicy, right? Very juicy. Double bottom, green dots, looking to push up. Okay, so where are we looking for a potential rejection? That's always going to be the question, right? Well, let's get into our 24 and let's look at this here, and we can simply see that you got a very big liquidity grab here at 67,300. Okay, you could go from swing high to swing low, and you could be looking up in here. Okay, very possible, right? Do we have levels up in there? Let's see. I don't think so. I'm not. Why can't I? Yeah. Okay. And then areas. Yeah, so my area is higher up. Looking for the liquidity grab up in here at 66,300. We'll see if we get there. We got a key level at 66,100. You could be looking a little bit higher. Beautiful trade yesterday, friends. Good job. Good job on that. The long may have been down here. We'll see. We'll see. We're looking for bearish divergence in here. This would be a swing fail up in top here. If we get a swing fail like this and a lower low, that's what we're looking for right there. We'll see if we get it here on our short-term time frames today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smashing that like button. Make sure you say good morning. I don't like people who don't say good morning. You got beef or something? What's up? Like you just there lurking in the background waiting for trade setups or what? That's okay if you are, but I would appreciate a good morning at least. Good morning. Thank you for the perfect long trade yesterday. I don't know. It's up to you. Or don't say good morning. Just smash that like button. Good morning, Otter Gang. V-Sun, good morning to you. You heard him. It's financial advice. Sell, sell, sell. Yeah, Ray. Oh, we are getting resistance at the local point of control. Okay, Alex, is there Always new opportunities. You'll get even better opportunities. Absolutely. We're always ready. Like button activated. Nas double top. Okay. Good morning to you. We don't want to see that. We want to see moon. Okay. How you guys feeling? You guys are pretty 50-50 here. You're pretty uncertain. You guys are playing. I want to see some votes in here. We got 145 votes, and you guys are like Switzerland, man. You guys, come on. You guys got to have some sentiment. Okay? Let's go. Even Alexandra G knows 155 views, 64 likes. What's going on? What's going on? Do we get some good mornings? Wix White 589. Good to see you. Looks sus, Dutchy. Okay? Bounce 65.7 and then up. Okay. Mark Dutch, what are you buying me for groceries, man? Are you going to be... I heard you're quite the cook. Are you chefing it up? Good morning, Michael Pugis. Good morning to you. Isn't that the point? Yeah, that's always the point. My mom taught me to always say good morning, Alex. Yeah, see? That's it, right? You look a person in the eye, you shake their hand, you say good morning. Good morning, okay? Look at this. Coming back to Wreck the Bulls. Wreck the Bulls, baby. Wreck them. Wreck them, Ralph, or whatever that thing I'm probably going to have to watch as a dad. View up at 65,600. Can we get the retest down to 65,600? Ooh, that would be juicy, wouldn't it? Come on, baby. Come on, babe. Come on back down. No swing failure. Remember we said we wanted to see the swing failure, then the dump. No swing failure. This means still strength. There's still strength here, right? Higher highs, higher lows, all the way up. Okay. This can be considered a break of structure if we do roll over here. I'm not too concerned about it. I will look to adjust my entry here. 65.7? 65.7-ish? Yeah, somewhere around there. Somewhere around here. If we're going to get long, could be possible. Lots of liquidity down here. We might want to be a bit cheaper. We might want to go 65. Yeah, because then we can protect ourselves below. See, stop loss comes into play all the time, right? So we got to understand that the most important thing about entries is getting in where we can manage our risk, right? If we can't manage our risk, we shouldn't be entering it, okay? We shouldn't be entering it. Okay? We are flipping support, right? This is very short time frame. So if we're down on like a 15 minute and we're looking at this here, right? We want to have confirmed close above the trend. We have that. Okay, we have that push out of the trend. Now we're getting the retest on the 15 minute, okay? You can see the break of the trend. Boom. Now the retest of the trend, right? Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Okay? Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. We have this upwards momentum, right? So upwards momentum. Here's our trend line. Here's our VWAP. We have a break of structure right now on the 1 minute. However, we can come back down a little bit more if we want and be looking for that long. In continuation, we have mitigated this high. So this now coming down into here, right? This high here into this low here, higher low. Okay, didn't sweep the low here. Kind of concerning. We have now put in a higher high in comparison to this high. So we are looking for the higher low for continuation back into our sell wall. Okay, just looking at it very simply. But we want to be able to manage our risk down below here if we are to roll over. Does that make sense? Everybody understand? Very simple. Very, very simple. Okay. Now, everybody's long in this. Everybody's waking up to trade market open. We got half an hour until then. And they're seeing, oh, I missed the move. I missed the move. I missed the move. Uh-oh, I'm underwater. Okay? I'm underwater because they're long up here and they didn't take profits. We don't want to be those people. Finally, my spot in the green. Let's go, Robert. Awesome. RJ, killing it, man. Thank you for your charts. Thank you for being part of the gang. Good morning, brother. Thanks for the TA. Thank you for being here. Shaitrowski. Shaitrowski, good morning to you. I'll always try to pronounce the names, even if I butcher them. I think it's always a good challenge. DMAC, good morning. JLC, good morning. We have the same beard. Tis a good omen. Das Omen, yeah. I mean, sure. Good beards, good fun. Maybe if Bitcoin gets to like 200,000 this run, maybe I shave it for you guys. But you have to talk to my wife. Also a retest on the value area high, yeah. Okay, so let's look at the session like you're talking about. Maybe we pull our yeah, so if we want to grab this information, we just got to make sure our volume is back within this area here. So if we're looking at this, we can see that we do have 2 blocks. Okay, we have that block that we just retested right now as we speak at 7:30, and then we have the point of control that we got rejected off of. Okay, look how well volume works, right? So it doesn't mean we're getting overly bullish here. It just means let's be patient, looking for that sweep. Okay. We could pull this back into this area here. So we could go from the 15th. This would be our daily, okay? Our Tuesday daily, right? Value area high retest right now. Okay? Point of control. Trying to break out into our liquidity up in this area here, which is the highs, right? So we'll see how that goes. Depends on how you want to trade it, right? Like what are you looking for with this fixed range volume profile, but it's very useful. You can see the amount of volume created here from the chop, right? Giving us a little bit of support. Okay, flipping that support is what it's trying to do right now. Then we have VWAP underneath trying to hold us up as well. Okay, looking here at our 24, we do have room to the upside. The concern is VWAP. Okay, VWAP's overextended now. Now that we've ripped to the upside, okay, VWAP's very much overextended, which typically we look to at least calm down, right? Calm down, calm down. What happens when VWAP calms down? Well, look, you get a rollover, right? You get a rollover, right? Couple rollovers. So when VWAP's overextended, what happens? VWAP's overextended, what happens? Look at your charts. Right? Coming down here, I'm looking along 65, 6, 30-ish area. We'll see if we get in there. 6:30. It's not 6:30 in the morning. Momentum to the upside. Is momentum going to break here? We'll have to see. I'm concerned about longing this morning, though, to be honest. Because of yesterday and because of the hype train that's now started, everybody's like long, 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 long. We always want to make sure that we are being contrarian. You know, we don't want to just join the bandwagon. We got to get another dad joke going here. What was the pumpkin's favorite sport? Squash. That's not bad. That's Thanksgiving too in Canada. That will work. That'll work. 3-minute resetting here. VWAP posturing to the upside. Massey, good morning. Good to see you. Satoshi. Satan, Satoshi. Coincidence? Who knows? Good morning, Scott. Mad love to you, bro. Happy Thanksgiving. Belated Thanksgiving. We're doing belated Thanksgiving. YouTube thumbnail indicator is very bearish for me. Everybody talking about bull run back on. Or are we going to go and rip on some thumbnails? Put a 1 in the chat if we're going to go rip on some thumbnails. Are we getting mad open mouth dildo faces? Is that what we're getting? Welcome, Digital Frontier. Thank you so much for signing up. Thank you so much for being a member. Mad love to you. This looks like it wants to rip. Yet again, trying to push. Okay, finding some support on this upwards momentum line here. Look at how well these work, right? Where do we put our stop loss when we go get long here? We're going to go down here? And take it up to our sell wall here? Nah, come on, guys. You can't. You maybe below VWAP. Come on, friends. That's not good risk management. Sometimes, yeah, okay, getting long here would have been the right idea. But you this is a risk to reward game, right? Probabilities say, okay, maybe we're going to continue here. Okay? Maybe. But how are you going to you got to be so cheap here to get long here. You'd have to be just below that volume node, right? You'd have to be there. That's not ideal for me. I'd rather be here. Especially with market open in half an hour. This looks like more of a shorting opportunity. Is that crazy? This looks like more of a shorting opportunity. Sweep of the highs, okay? Getting everybody bullish in the morning. You guys are going to tell me to put my money where my mouth is then, aren't you? Let me make sure I am all tuned in here. Coming up to this area here. Just want the right conditions to short, my friends. That's all I got to say. Here's the sweep of the highs. Failure to sweep the highs. I think I need more coffee. I feel like my decision-making skills are off right now. What do you guys think? Number one rule is, am I okay? Number one rule. I feel good. Like I slept all right. Kids sleeping a little bit longer, which is good. Having a newborn baby ain't easy. I tell you that much. Come mitigate this high. We're getting a green dot right now. That's a little mini break of structure. 1 minute. This momentum's crazy, man. This momentum's crazy. This is good, eh? This is good. You guys are good. Thank you for being here. Everybody, put a 1 in the chat if you are long. We're going to go and look at some thumbnails when I get back. I'll be right back. There's my sweep. See, I came back. Let's short this thing. Let's short it. Who's going to short it with me? We're back. We're back. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. All right, that makes sense to me now. Comes back as a bear. He comes back as a bear. Alexo Crypto. Alexo Crypto. Looking to short it. Looking to short it. Is he crazy? Is he crazy? He may be crazy. Oh, man. Nah, no shorts for me. Too good. Short that. I don't know. Are we going to short it? Are we going to short it? I'd prefer it up at 66.1. I'd prefer it up here. It's not a great idea to short in this environment. However, it could be lucrative. It could be lucrative. It could be lucrative. 66,000 psychological, everybody bullish. Could be lucrative. We might go for it. We might give her. I'm not short yet. Come on, baby. Dump it. Are we going to go dump it? I thought we were going to look at open mouth thumbnails this morning. BTC is saying, F your levels. I'm going up only. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. In the up only class of 1990. I will do it. I will do it. Let's go. I short. Okay. Oh man, I'm not in up only. I'm not in the up only class of 1990, okay? I'm not in this up only class. I'm in the make money class of 2024. Oh, this looks nice. This looks like it could be nice. This looks like it could be nice, man. This would be a good old rug. This would be a good old rug. What do you guys think? Am I getting you bearish yet? Can I convince you to be bearish with me? If we lose this upwards momentum here, I'm going to short it. If we come in here, I'm gone. I'm short. Okay, let's take a look around the world here first. First and foremost, let's take a look at the world. Okay, S&P. Overextended, looking to retest. Big gap up, okay? NASDAQ. Let's zoom out. NASDAQ, absolute ripper. Overextended, looking to cool off. Maybe not. This thing is pretty bullish. Look at this thing. Looks like this is a dragon pattern, okay? You can see the big tail here, and then you got the legs, the body, and then the big-ass head. Look at the snout. You got the snout. Rah. Okay? You got to give it some wings. Here's your dragon pattern to the upside on the NASDAQ, okay? It's all about this tail. This is unstoppable. It tends to breathe fire, and that's a big dump, okay? We'll see if we get it. I don't know. That was just a joke. It wasn't funny, actually. It was pretty lame. Pretty lame. We can't see this. This looks juicy. We get a rejection here. Could be coming down. Okay, S&P looks overextended in my opinion. The Russell looking to continue to break out. 2,300 is our target up in here for expansion. No expansion as of yet. Rolling over. Questionable. Okay, we got things like Sui dying. Coming back down, retesting $2. Interesting. ETH at the very top of a trend line, a very macro trend line. If we're looking at this, we have a macro trend line here. ETH coming up, trying to break out, retest, and get above 2,800, right? ETH is desperate to get up above 2,800. Hitting its head on resistance after a big push up, overextended, okay? Why is this just on heat map? Let's pull up the other one here. I want to see the stock market heat map. Oh, oh, you guys are buying meme coins. I heard that. Some guy told me you guys are all buying meme coins. Pepe dying. Okay. Overextended. Anchor trigger. East. Overextended. 4 hour. Hmm. Sui. Retesting the lows, right? Breaking uptrend. Uptrend. Downtrend. Trend is your friend. Let me not make you too bearish, but wouldn't it be funny to try and pump on everybody this morning and then absolutely rug them? Just saying. Always good to look at the other side. Okay, you got to look at both sides. Okay, I'm looking to get short here, if anything. Market opens in 19 minutes, baby. 19 minutes. Okay, and if you are getting short in an environment like this, you're gonna lower your position size. Okay, don't be a victim to the pump. The pump. Okay, don't be a victim to that. You're not here to get liquidated. You're here to try and put the probabilities in your favor. Okay. Check out the moon cycle on BTC chart. Yeah, we looked at it yesterday, Jeanette. So the moon cycle is coming on the 17th, I believe. The 17th is when we get the full moon. Okay. And Jonathan Schaefer says we're going to go up on the 18th. Interesting enough. Maybe he talked to the moon doctors about, that beautiful moon chart. And the beautiful moon chart. Moon Gaussian channel chart. Okay, we got our moon, autumn equinox. Okay, our moon is coming in. 15 bars here. 15 bars, the 17th. We got a nice moon on the 17th. So that's Thursday. Moon on Thursday. Okay, so what does that mean? I think correction, then go. Correction, then go. Where do we correct to? What did we say? 64, 500. Right? If we are going to correct, we retest that volume node up in here, and then we go. Okay? That's the thought. It's valid. In my opinion, that's a plan. Retesting that Gaussian channel. Maybe that Gaussian channel comes up into here. Woo-wee. Retest the top of the gauze. It's all possible. Anything is possible in crypto, okay? As we can see, we've pumped massively. Everybody just wants me to say up only. I like it. We gave the long this morning. We didn't take it ourselves, which is kind of stupid. Stalling out here. VWAP's rolling back down. Would this be a good area to short? I was looking a little higher. Not going to lie. I'm looking a little bit higher. But stalling out right here. Trapping bulls. This looks to me like a trap. This looks like you wake up, you get bullish divergence, you push up, you grab liquidity above. Okay, we can get rid of this trend line now. Okay, we can get rid of this one too. Okay, you've pushed up. Now you're ascending triangle kind of thing. So you can see that price is failing to get above this area. So we want to see this if we're going to see continuation. Or we have swept the highs. And we are looking for a rejection here. We have swept the high here. And we are looking for this thing to roll over. Because everybody's FOMOing long here. FOMO longs. Guarantee it. These are all FOMO longs. Who FOMO longed in here? Tell me the truth. Who FOMO long here? I bet you there's someone in here who's FOMO long, who's long like this. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon, man. Don't you know? And if we do pump, congrats. It's at the local point of control. Do you want to short the value area high? So if we're looking at this little range, we can agree that we have retested the daily from Monday. So if we go back to Monday, we can agree that we have retested the range back in here, right? Point of control. Alexo Crypto's bearish this morning. I'm long from 65,440. Woo, let's go Schaefer. Okay, we won't go short because we want Schaefer to make money. Value area high up here. That would be the sell wall that I'm looking at. Or we get rejected from the point of control. You got two options, right? Two options. On a move like this, you typically look for a retest back down to VWAP. You haven't gotten a retest. We have people FOMOing long. We got 14 minutes till market opens. Remain patient. Don't just jump in. We're not here to just jump in. We're here to say good morning, though. So good morning to everybody in here. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys being here. It's a good time. 170 people in here. 250 people in here. Holy smokes, that jumped up quickly, man. 250 people in here. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much for being here. We're looking for the short right now. I think we're looking for the short. I just don't think they're gonna make it that easy on everybody. It can't be that easy. Okay, we got to come down at least back down to VWAP. At least we're stalling out here into market open. We know the S&P looks like it needs to come back down to this trend line down below. It needs to. Look at this thing. You don't break out of something like this without revisiting it. That's my opinion, especially in the stock market. Look at this thing. Oh my God. NASDAQ doesn't give a Scheisenhausen. Krakenhausen lip. Thank you everybody for being here. We got almost 300 people here in the live stream. Bitcoin on an absolute tear to the upside. The level was given this morning in the Discord. I made the mistake and I adjusted my level, which is just take the TA. Understand the TA is the TA, right? In the Discord, we gave the level for the long this morning. If you were in our Discord, look at this. We gave the long right in here at 65,200. Okay, we came in, touched 65,200. We are now up in this area here. If you want to come and hang out, there's a free section in our Discord, and there is a membership section for $20 a month as well. If you want to come over and get the signals and all the amazing charts by Brewberry. I don't know if I would call my charts amazing, but I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'll pay attention to you. I promise. I promise. But thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We got enough likes today. You guys don't have to hit that like button. It's all good, man. Just here to try and help. That's it. Whole community built on kindness, built on helping someone try to find this journey a little bit easier. It's not an easy journey. This is trading, baby. It's not meant to be easy, but we have figured out a way to make money in it, which is a blessing. And we're so grateful for the community we have here, the Otter gang. Let's see some otters in the chat. Oh man, I appreciate you guys. Smash those likes, says Jonathan Schaefer. Like 113 is Dave Digital. God bless you, Dave. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Dave Digital is part of Billy Goat Tales. If you aren't following Billy Goat Tales on Tuesday nights, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on X, make sure you go over and check those guys out. Those guys are family. We love you over there at Billy Goat Tales. My guys, always bringing value, and I appreciate that. Good vibes only. I am short, but really tall in real life. See, I am in no trade, and I am short in real life. IRL, baby. Let's see those otters. God bless you guys. Cheers, Alexandra. Cheers, Billy. Billy's in the chat. He's lurking and working. You know Billy's in the chat. My man, Billy Go Tails tonight. I'll see you there, man. I'll see you there. Front row seat, man. Every Tuesday night. Don't miss it. Even playing it when I got the baby in my arms, man. God bless you guys here. Yeah, we're looking for a retest. If we're gonna come down, we're looking for that retest. Absolutely. Traders are always looking for a little lower and a little higher, and then they miss the move. Yeah. To me, the reason why we didn't take the long on FOMO was risk management. So we wanted to be able to protect ourselves to the downside. This was not good risk to reward. Okay, this is not good risk to reward. You're looking maybe at a 1.5 to 1. Okay? This to me is not sustainable. Okay? If we swept down below here, we were ready to take it at VWAP. We were ready to take it down here, as you guys knew. However, we got a sell wall in front of us. We have some resistance. People are FOMOing in. Now we got 9 minutes till market opens. We got an ascending triangle here. This is typically bullish. Okay, this is typically bullish, looking to break out, continue up here. This is our sell wall. This is not a nice move that I want to get into. Okay, maybe 0.5%. Okay, this move, which was given this morning in the Discord, that would have been juicy. Okay, didn't get into it. Okay, that's fine. We reset, we reevaluate, we set our new trap. Okay, to where we're looking to take advantage of price action. That's up in here. We'll see if we get there. Very, very bullish momentum here coming in. We'll see if that continues to the upside. Take on to the other side. So if I was to buy a meme coin, which meme coin am I supposed to buy? That is the question that I have for you guys today. Is Sui a meme coin? Should we buy some Sui? Should we buy some Pepe? Pepe? What do you guys think? Pepe? Is Pepe, Myro, Grok maybe? I don't think Grok's going to do too good. Boom. I heard a lot of good things about Boom. Popcat. Boom. Popcat. Brett. Brettilda. I want to buy a meme coin. Just so I get rugged. Is that bad degeneracy? I think that's degeneracy. Look at the momentum holding here. This is strong as ever. Looking for this to come back up to this area in here for the potential short. Will we get the potential long? We'll have to wait and find out. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good old times with Alex O Crypto, hanging out with you guys. Bye, Floki, Brett, Sui, H-Bar, Mew, Trump MAGA. Trump MAGA might be a smart play for politicians. Billy says, good morning. Toaster must have a toaster convention that screwed up your X account. Everybody wants to go long here. Going into market open. We wait. Emojis. Astra. Brett. Nike. Pepe. Safe Betty. Safe Betty. I like a safe Betty. Here's that SFP. Here's that SFP. Momentum. Coming in this morning. Momentum to the upside. Momentum to the upside. And rug? Momentum rug? Oh, yeah. This is ruggage, man. This is definite ruggage. Dump it. Give me the short this morning. This looks like ruggage Stillskin, Rumpelstiltskin. What's that guy's name? Ruggage Stillskin. Oh shit! This looks like it's gonna rug people, man. You guys aren't getting short, right? We're not getting short yet. We still got. Come on, we got 5 minutes till market opens. She will do it for you. 70% going long on CoinX. Eesh. CoinX. I don't know about CoinX. I don't know. Otter with hat. Let's go. Otter with hat. Popcat. Okay. Coquinu. Okay. Coquinu. I don't know about that. I'm just going to put a little $5,000 on. A little $5,000 on a meme coin. We're going to have to get a vote going on here. A little $5,000. Is it time to buy memes? I don't think so. I believe that we are going to get a retracement today. That is what I'm in the retracement camp today. You guys may hate that I'm in the retracement camp today. That's okay. We'll see how we'll compare. We'll compare at the end of the day. We'll compare notes on. Mu is hot. I may have sorted. I may have sorted or shorted. Maybe shorted. Degen puffer. Is that like a asthmatic coin? A degen puffer? Asthma? Hashtag asthma. Oh, this is going to dump, baby. Oh, yeah, it's breaking resistance now. Look for the little retest. Look for the little retest, baby. Take this short. I'm right there. This sweep of the high here on the higher term time frames. Ooh, looking juicy, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Dump it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dump it. Dump it on everyone's heads, man. Just behave yourself. Bitcoin. Alex O Crypto's a perma bear, they said. That's what they said. Oh, baby, I'm in this thing to win it. I'm in it to win it. Break that low, baby. Break that low. Then come back up to Papa. Break the low. Rug 'em all. Gotta rug 'em all, Pokemon. Rug 'em, baby. Rug 'em, baby. Come on, rug 'em. You ain't gonna give me VWAP today, man? Are you for real? Are you for real, Bitcoin? Bearish divergence up at the highs. Break structure to the downside. Stop being so mean to me. Stop being so. Here comes the retest. Here comes the retest. Ooh. Here it comes. Make sure you're using good risk management here, my friends. 66.50. We'll see. Is this just a sweep? We didn't break structure to the downside. Oh, man. It's a hard choice this morning, friends. Decisions. It didn't break the low. That's it. Good eye. Easy. Good eye. It didn't break the low here. Right? The trend is still intact. So we have broken momentum, but we haven't broken trend. Trend is here. Right? There's your trend. Still a higher low. But we have broken momentum. Coming into market open, we got 30 seconds till market opens, friends. We got 30 seconds till market opens. There's our retest. There's our perfect little retest, man. Can we break down from here? I think so. I think so. Coming down to VWAP. $6.36. Can we come down to VWAP? S&P is open. What do we got here on the S&P? Zooming in here, little quickie. Okay, gapping up, ripping down. Okay, NASDAQ. Trying to continue to push. 1 and 5 minute on the NASDAQ. Looks like it could roll over. Nice push up here. This is very aggressive momentum here on the NASDAQ. If we're looking at momentum, Okay. Still strong. S&P rolling over. Remember we said the S&P looks like it needs to retest this area in here, right? That would mean we watch that closely. The Dixie here. The Dixie double top, rolling down, breaking structure. Okay. Key support and resistance area blasted through. Double top, retest. Can this come down? If it comes down, that's bullish for risk on assets. That means risk on assets go up. Okay, if we're looking for the short, we want to see this continue to push. Okay, still making a higher low. That can continue. This is a bit bearish though. Okay, going back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin losing the downtrend possibly. Take a little nibble at a short here. All this momentum to the upside. We'll see. Thank you everybody for being here. We've been absolutely crushing it. Yesterday we took the long right from the low yesterday. That was absolutely incredible. Whoever was here with me, we took the long from here right on the morning open. That was great. Thank you everybody for being here with me, taking that long. That was good fun. We absolutely crushed that yesterday. That was great. See if we can double dip. Maybe a little Bart Simpson right back down, eh? What do you guys think? Right back down, Bart Simpson. We'll see. They're fighting right now. They're fighting. This looks like a potential short opportunity. I would not be going long here, just so you guys know. I'd be looking for us to get possibly long at VWAP, okay? We're not there yet. Look at the buyers coming in, fighting here. Big fight. Big fight for position. I don't know if we'll continue to get up here. This looks very sweepy of the highs. We can see here we got lower lows and higher highs. Okay, this is trying to push up, retest, continue down, or are we looking for continuation overall? Still got this low intact down here. Okay, this is still intact. Look at the battle they had for that low. That's pretty significant. That shows strength, in my opinion. This shows strength. This means we could continue up a little bit here. Big indecision. S&P looking like it wants to push back. Nice push back for the S&P. A nice push up for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, can it continue? Get rid of that there. We got our sell wall up here. Will we get up there? This is fighting at the point of control too of this range. We're looking at this range. We can look here, right? Point of control, a little bit of a battle here. Some strength in this though. We've seen that we came down, we put in the low, we put in a higher low here, right? Can this come up into here before? Maybe something like this. Okay. Pushing back here on Bitcoin. Look at the strengths coming in. We're looking at the highs. We did not break the low there. That's why we did not take the short. Okay. No break of structure to the downside, right? Still showing strength. Look at the buyers who came in. Okay. Another sweep of the highs. Battling the point of control. Can this continue upwards? We got 240 people in here. We're on our way to 4,000 subscribers. I mean, we're here every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Trading the market with you guys. Trading the open. Come and hang out with us. We'd love if you subscribed. Come over and hang out in our Discord. Be great to have you. More eyes on the charts. More people working together to solve the crazy markets, man. That's what it's all about. Otter gang over here. Mad love to every single one of you guys in here. You guys sharing some funny stuff, but hello from the Otter slide is where it's at, man. It's where it's at. Oh, we got a great community. The TA, the long level was given this morning when I got up. Those who took it, congratulations on your gains. Mad love to every single one of you guys. You guys are incredible. Thank you for supporting the channel. Man, this has been a good day. This price action's, at least we're moving around. We're not chopping too bad, right? At least we're moving around. The environment is getting a little bit better. There's some anticipation for this, Trump rally. Maybe they're trying to price in a Trump rally. But we're looking for maximum pain to be at 70,000 and then a dump, okay? So the maximum pain, we've been talking about it in the Discord, 70,000 up in this thing. This is going to be the pain. When this happens, this is going to be the pain that nobody's ready for. We've been talking about that over here. When everybody was saying, hey, we're going to roll over, we were saying, no, 70,000, then pain. How we get there, though, is up to supply and demand, baby. Supply and demand. Don't fight the trend. The trend is up right now, right? However, this morning, very suspicious, like big push out of here. Liquidity created down below at these lows, right? Liquidity. So typically price wants to return to this area. How it returns though? I mean, who else? We all know how it returns. It's very, very sporadic, right? This is looking to continue to push. Okay, S&P, indecision. Some strength here in the S&P, coming up to some resistance at 66,100. The Dixie rolling over. That's a good sign. This thing has been pumping like a madman since that job data. Okay, coming up to that key level of resistance as we speak here. Okay, we got our key level here. Another swing of the highs. Can this continue? That is always... I don't know if we've mitigated any of this demand down here either. So you'd have to ask Brewberry. He's more in tune with the demand world. Bitcoin looking strong, continuing to push. Coming up to our key resistance area, given this morning in advance. Long, given in advance down here. This was up here. I should have taken that, but we didn't. That's okay. That's all right. That's okay. Coming into this area here. This is going to be an interesting little battle here. We do have liquidity up in these highs up in here. We're potentially looking to mitigate. If we do take these highs here, and we could be looking for something along this line here for a big continuation upwards. That would be our long in here somewhere. So watching this closely. Strength in Bitcoin so far. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If you are in that long, you can be tracking momentum like this now. Okay. Nice move up. Consolidation. Push up into value area high. Okay. Will we get that rejection down? We'll have to wait and find out. We'll have to wait. So what is the consensus? Are we going to look at we're going to look at meme coins? We're going to look at open mouth thumbnails? Let me look. Pump, finally, pump. We're going to the moon, pump. Moon. Buy now. There's some good ones in here this morning. Where's this buy now guy? Buy now, Pepe. This guy's good. 99 Bitcoins. 99 Bitcoins. And like if you're in this, I don't mean no harm. I mean, but you're a grown-ass man. And you got a frog and an open mouth thumbnail. And a video that's 4 minutes long. What kind of value are you delivering to the youth, to the children of this generation? Are you delivering value? Tell me the truth. Are you guys going out and buying this thing right here? Is this what we have come to? I guarantee you he's wearing track pants and Crocs underneath that open mouth thumbnail face. Oh, shit. Bitcoin don't care. It's ripping, baby. We're coming into our sell wall here. Okay? Bitcoin don't care. $99 Bitcoin, but he ain't got a whole one. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Shout out to all you whole coiners out there. Take that short, mate. We're not ready to take. We want to have confirmation. Confirmation. There was no reason to get short here. There's no reason to get short here. Face is looking for alts to buy. Yeah. You guys got to help me out too, you know. Face worse than that, go find Rand the scam. You guys are cruel, man. Look at this up only shit. We're in our sell wall now. So now we have confluence at this area. So we could be potentially looking for a short up in this area. Could be. Could be. What gives us the idea to go short here? So we look for a swing failure pattern, a break of structure. Okay? Break a structure. Retest, right? So we are in an area, but we don't take the trade blindly. Okay, we want to see the structure tell us. Price action will always tell us what's going on. Okay? Always. We can still come for this high here. We can still come for this high all the way up here. Okay? Key level up here. Point of control, 66.8. We're hitting a key level right now. We'll see how price reacts. Congrats on your longs. Mad love to every single one of you guys who took that long. Hopefully you're in the money, baby. This thing don't care. Please don't FOMO though. Please don't FOMO. Trade with a plan. Trade with a plan. Always. Oh, geez, stop shorting already. That's the one. Looking to mitigate this high. There it is. Oof. Trying to push. Let's go, Bitcoin. Wow, this thing is aggressive. Aggressive, eh? Good morning, Bitcoin. We going to the moon. Now we look for the potential retest, okay? Jeez, up only. Up only. Shout out to everybody out here. GG's on your long there, Jonathan Schaefer. All you guys who got long. That's incredible. Big pump city. Pump city. Put a 1 in the chat if you are in a long. I would love to know. Imagine a God candle. We all want a God candle. No willy-nilly trades. That's exactly it. That's exactly it. That's exactly it. Not chasing price. Bounce off the 50 EMA on the 2-minute. Never short on bullish trend. That's the one. That's the one. That's a good rule. Trend is always going to be your friend. So we've mitigated this high. That's good. Up only, baby. This thing don't care. Up only, up only. Sheesh. Sui bouncing back. Ethereum looking to break out. Brett. Maybe breakout. I don't know. I ain't a meme coin connoisseur, you know, or Karma Sutra. No, that's connoisseur. Karma Sutra. What's on your mind? Let's go. Sheesh. Sheesh. Should have got that long in here, eh? Everything's hindsight and 50-50. Look at this thing rip, baby. 66,600. We going into the devil's number, baby. We going into the devil's number. Jesus. What a pump. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful bull div down in here to trigger this massive 2.5% move. That's absolutely wild. Absolutely wild. I've been looking for a retest of the value area high if we are going to get long, okay? A lot of liquidity, though. A lot of liquidity down below, as usual. As usual. A Freudian slip. How do you think another baby otter incoming on the Karma Sutra? How do you think it was made? Yeah, exactly. Sometimes you miss the move. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. We could FOMO in long here. FOMOing long? Are we going to FOMO long? FOMO long? Up to 66.8. 66,800. FOMO longs. Let's go FOMO longs. I ain't here to tell you to FOMO long. You don't catch them all, Pokemon. That's all right. Maybe we do a live stream in the Discord today. What do you guys think? Do a little live in the Discord. We didn't do yesterday because it was a holiday. It was a holiday. Maybe we do one. Maybe we do one later today. I owe you guys. Look at this. Absolute rocket ship to the moon. Let's go, Bitcoin. 66,700. 66,720. 66. Let's go, Bitcoin. Look at this thing. To the absolute rocket ship of the moon, baby. All you got to do is press buy in this environment. Wow. Who's in the long? You guys got to be long, man. For all you guys who are long and strong and get that friction on, making little babies, little baby otters, you're the real ones. You're the real ones. FOMO in at the top. Let's go. Piano Matty B. Oh, man. That guy's a legend. He said he's going to make me a jingle. An Alex O Crypto jingle. I feel my pecker tingling, balls are jingling too. Why don't I link them together so I'll put my pecker in you? I want to slay right together so I'll put my pecker in you. How about... Yeah, I went there. Up, let's go. Your butt is too slow. You're like a rabbit in the snow. Hit it up, let's go. Haven't you guys heard that song? Oh man, you haven't heard that song? I'm about to get demonetized for this. I'm about to get demonetized for this.
I feel my pecker tingling, balls are jingling too. Come on and tell me whether I can link them together with you. I feel my pecker tingling, balls are jingling too. Come on and tell me whether I can link them together with you. I need a hot slip mommy to slip my slummy into. I must be over eager, cause even your beaver will do. Get it up, get it up, get it up, let's go. Your butt is too slow.
I'm doing this for the fans.
Start
baby.
hopping like a rabbit
Let's get those
in
likes
the
up.
snow.
150 likes.
Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, my dear. Hot jizz in your ear. I know it's not easy for you hanging from that chandelier. I need a new position for sperm worm fishing with you. I want to jam my putts and both of my nuts in your shoe. I feel my pecker tingling, balls are jingling too. Come on and be so pleasant to pump my present in you.
Hey! Oh, I don't mind if you haven't. I just got demonetized and all of that to bless you with that song. We're at 67,000 Bitcoin. I feel Bitcoin tingling, all her tingling too. Why don't I link them together, so my banker and you? Let's go, God Candle, baby. Let's go, God Candle. I may have FOMO'd in, okay? I may have FOMO'd in. FOMO in at the top. I may have FOMO'd in. When I said I FOMO'd, okay? Don't do what I do, but I FOMO'd in, okay? I can't go on here and tell you guys to do what I do. You know, I try to have constructive TA, but sometimes the Bitcoin is up only, okay? So I FOMO'd in here. I have taken profits, okay? I wanted to make money today, okay? I wanted to make money. And you can't knock the uptrend, baby. You can't knock the uptrend. Okay? Look at this thing. Up only. Okay? I FOMO'd in. Sorry. I'm not going to say, hey, man, I'm in. Because I can't do that. I can't do that to people. I can't. If you're new and I say, go, jump in, FOMO in, don't trade a plan. Yes. It's going to be a short content life, okay? If my number one role as someone who comes on here is, one, for me to learn, because that's why I do this. I come on here because I learn better by just yelling at people into a microphone, okay? Can't help it, but it does help me, okay? But I came on here to learn more. You know, you say it in out loud enough, you're going to learn it, okay? But I can't not teach you how to fish. I want to teach you how to fish, not how to FOMO, okay? It's not my job to teach you how to FOMO. It's my job to come on here, trade a plan, execute the plan. I mean, you can't recognize Bitcoin momentum. This is Bitcoin momentum, okay? Just go on your 1 minute chart and be like, this is Bitcoin momentum. That's all you got to understand. Okay? This is what Bitcoin momentum looks like. I saw this little wiggle right here, little wiggle, woohoo, and I took it. Okay? That's just knowing when Bitcoin is absolutely going parabolic. Let's go. My alarms are going off. My God. Bitcoin crossing 12-hour trend line. Going to the moon. 67,580 is the next stop on the bus. Make sure you guys are on the bus. Okay? Some of us are riding on the back of the bus. Some of us are holding on for dear life. But we're on it. Okay? We're on it. Sui, absolute rocket ship to the moon. Ethereum looking to break out. Ethereum, let's go. Ethereum. Wow. I should have bought meme coins this morning. Shit. Look at this. Oh. Bitcoin doesn't care. God candle incoming. Let's face it. We look at a daily candle, okay? We have gotten, if we're looking at what's a God candle, in a day, we have gotten candles. Remember when we did this? 1 day candle, 3%. 1 day candle, 7%. 1 day candle. Okay? 1 day candle, 5%. 1 day candle, 4%. 1 day candle. Ooh, that one's 12%. What are we on right here? We still got room, baby. We still got room. Maximum pain. Okay, even yesterday we got a 5% candle. My God. Thank you everybody for being here. God bless you guys. My golly gee, as they would say in good old Canada. 67,800 resistance. I got 67.5 and we seem to be hitting it right now. So as you can see here, we got 67.5. Coming up into it. I'll be closing most of my position up there at 67.5. Maybe I go 68,000 for a little wick, a Wickenhausen. 68,000 for a Wickenhausen. Oh man, money's just, abundance, man. Abundance. Look at this beautiful 1 hour candle. An absolute doozy. Almost a 3% God candle on a 1 hour. Oh my God, look at this thing, man. It is taking no prisoners. Everybody who's here, thank you so much for being here. I mean, we didn't get it from the bottom, but we got it from the middle. Oh man. Thank you everybody for being here, smashing up those like buttons. We got 170 people here, 141 likes. We have absolutely decimated the YouTube algorithm today. God bless you guys. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate all you guys coming and hanging out with me in the mornings. Some days we don't catch the perfect trade, but we catch a trade. Yesterday was a perfect trade. Come over and hang out in our Discord. We'd love to have you. You got that level this morning. Okay? You got the level this morning. Amazing group of people over here in the Discord. Come and hang out. We do have a $20 a month paid service where you get my setups, Kyle's setups, Brewberry's setups, and live streams, and all the goodies that you could ever desire for a cheap price of $1 a day. Okay, $1 a day. $1 a day. Would be so happy to have you hanging out. We're going up and away. Coming up to 68,000. Will we get there? We'll see. Amazing day. Thank you so much for being part of the gang, for subscribing. We're on our way to 4,000 subscribers. Amazing. I remember when I was streaming to 4 people. One of them was my dog, and one of them was my mom, and the other one was Jonathan Schaefer and Lunar Beaches Crypto. Now I got a whole bunch of you, utterly degenerate, beautiful people with me, hanging out. Thank you for being here. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.